Step 1. Connect the air supply. Adjust the air supply pressure to a 3 pump. Step 2. Turn on the power switch. Step 3. Add oil into the oil chamber. When using for the first time or refilling the oil chamber, press the air key for more than 6 seconds to fill the internal pipeline with oil. Step 4. Install the quick connector. Step 5. Install the handpieces to the oil filling position. Part 6. Select the lubrication mode and start lubricating. S. Short mode, L. Long mode, E. Extra long mode. Step 7. Remove handpieces when finished.